Good day people, so here myself Neela Pushpanathan. I am from BBA. Here are my group members presenting an informative speech about technology. Let's start from Joel Mat.
Good evening, madam. I'm Joel Mak. I'm going to talk about the introduction, the application of scientific knowledge for practice purposes, especially in industry. The study and transformation of technique tools and machines created by humans is technology. Technology allows humans to study and evolve the physical elements that are present in their lives, enable the effective sharing of data to address some of society's biggest challenges and help individuals and organizations. Technology affects the way individuals communicate, learn, and think. Technology helps society and determines how people interact with each other. Then, positive and negative effects on the world by technology.
There are a lot of advantage of technology. First thing was technology advance in education. The availability of online class and courses and the ability to research any topics. This makes students and teachers more easier to create an instructional material and handy tools. Second advantage was better communication. This helps to eliminate time and distance as obstacles to communication. Better interaction helps in marketing to a business. So, technology vital in business. Last but not least was technology helps us to easy to access information. Helps to capturing data and other documents manually. At the same time, it is essential to students in academic and other school related activities which have more connection with each others.
Hello guys, my name is Yagadashni. I'm from BOF. Now I'm gonna present about disadvantages of technology. The first disadvantages of technology is cybercrime. Cybercrime is defined as a criminal action that involve or include the use of computer network or online medium. The first in cybercrime has electronic harassment and accessing stored communication. Electronic harassment is the act of someone using an electronic device illegally to harass, abuse, blackmail, or annoy other people or for the purpose of illegally gathering information. The next is accessing stored communication. Is a legal framework that volunteer and forced reporting of third party, stored wire and electronic communication or hacking the act of obtaining unauthorized access to the data from computer network. The next disadvantages are health issues. Social media and mobile gadgets can cause mental and physical problems as well as contribute to more serious health problems. The first health issues are insomnia. Insomnia is a common sleep disorder that can make it harder to fall asleep. This effect causes you to wake up too early and not able to get back to sleep. This effect has to do with the fact that blue light such as the light from the cell phone, computer and e-readers. The next is eye strain. Technologies such as handheld tablets, smartphones, and computer can hold a person's attention for a long period. Symptoms of the digital eye strain can include blurred vision and dry eyes. This may lead to eye strain. The next is charge of service. A service charge, also called a service fee, refers to a fee collected to pay for a service that relates to a product or service that is being purchased. The charge or service for technology devices are very expensive. They are cost more than 500 above for some services. Electronic devices are expensive, but the service charge also very high too. These advantages are caused many newer technologies become more expensive when more powerful goods become available on the market and software and service costs rise as a result. Anti-malware is an expensive while technological progress has been impressive. Malware and virus that share the virtual world has become more innovative. However, the most expensive antivirus software on a computer system for preventing, detecting and removing malware is.
I'm Nazwa. I'll be presenting our Google Form data. There is 41 respondents, verified were gender. 34 out of 41 respondents were female and 7 respondents were male. Second question, what is technology? 78% respondent answer. Technology is the sum of techniques, skills, methods, and processes used in the production of goods or services or in the accomplishment of objectives such as scientific investigation. 19.8% 45% or 8 respondents answered the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry, and the rest answered the branch of knowledge dealing with engineering or applied sciences. Third question asks respondent opinion about advantage of technology. There is many answers from respondents, but most of it focus on save times, helps in education, wealth of information, helps in economics, improving work and daily life, helps in business and communication skills. Fourth part statement is viruses and malware damaging the computers and destroying data. 97.6% respondents answered disadvantage, and the rest answered as advantage. For the fifth part, I'll pass to my friends. Thank you.
The next pie chart data about virus and malware damaging the computers and destroying the damaging data. So it is advantage or disadvantage? This was a question that we provided in our Google Forms. For this analysis question, around 40 respondents, which is 97.6% response that this was disadvantage, and one respondent, which is 2.4% respond that it was an advantage. Objective attempt to answer the question of what is the most dominance in technology, advantage or disadvantage. It's provide more advantage or disadvantage to us. So let's see the analysis of the question. Around 34 respondents, which is 82.9% response to an advantage, and 7 respondents, which is 17.1% response to the disadvantage. Additionally, the last chart question about which type of disadvantage of technology that affect the youth in nowadays. For example, feel like depression, stress and more. From our opinion, nowadays most of the youths are troubled into the technology and lose their life for it. Based on this question, most of respondent, which is 15 respondent, which is 36.6% response to the cybercrime, is true because nowadays most of youth were committed to cybercrime. For example, hacking other person accounts, scammer and more. In general, 14 respondent, which is 34.1% pulled to the health issues, and 8 respondent, which is 19.5% answered to the work overloaded, and finally 4 respondent, which is 9.8% response to the cost of money. So this is our final chart in our analysis of Google Form. Based on our Google Form, we are conclude that nowadays society has been impacted both negative and positively by the technology. As a result, every aspect of our life has been influenced by the technology. Hence, life is easier, yet it has taken away some of the enjoyment. For example, remember the day of less stress and more personal interaction, when there were no online message, no emails, social media or cell phones. We become essentially dependent on technology nowadays. As a result, we need to rely on less technology even though it has made learning fun. For example, business, daily tasks, work, travel, shopping and making new friends and staying in touch easier. Last but not least, technology has a lot of benefits, yet it could take over our lives and become our worst enemy if we are not careful. So, this is our analysis based on Google Form that we created for a respondent, which is advantage and disadvantage of technologies.
To overcome from technology effects, we must manage time using technology. Then we should give attention to our health issue.
Hi, my name is Shuma Shankari. Okay, the next is be aware of the users, means do not save personal details of password of official users in the mobile applications, as possibility of hacking and system breakdown is higher. Furthermore, be wise in digital communication, means do not use harsh words or statement which can go against any rules, regulation or any official authority. The next is recommendation. Okay, the first recommendation is disciplinary lifestyle should be followed by technological devices users in order to reduce its impact on their health. Self-control is the most important key factor which can lead the people to a healthier lifestyle. Another recommendation is everyone should be given education and accessibility for the current technology to generate an equally educated community in the future. Moreover, the revolution of the technology should incorporate with the green technology to control its drastic impact on the environment. In conclusion, extreme technological lifestyle adolescents can cause all sorts of problems as socially and physically. In addition, I believe people should take a step back and consider how often they use technology and how often they are engaged in face-to-face social interactions. Last but not least, technology and machine have made our lives to be more simple and also caused suffer, while this also made humans to lose their touch with nature because of this evolution.
That's all from us, madam. Thank you and stay safe.